Rich and sizzling on yon platter, there's a dish that has to matter. Full of protein and the like, for energy that spins your bike, your legs, your heart, your muscles too. It comes from yon great coothy coo that wanders lazy far and wide, our Scotland's green and lush hillside. Feeding on the beauteous grass, made thick and juicy by the mass o' rain that falls frae Scotland's skies. It's braw and big, with dark brown eyes. From farm to mart hence goes the beast, for perusal this sick a feast. By butchers, chefs, and sundry others, casting beady glances o'er they fine withers. The butcher runs his practised een, seeing cheek and rump and a' in between. There's French fillet and Sunday roast, brisket, silverside, mince on toast. For those who eat and then must dash, a rich and spicy, glorious goulash. And now the chef turns his talent to the finest plate for our Burns Day. Haggis, aye, it's still the chief, but alongside the perfect Scotch beef.